remind yourself as to which way is forward and which way is backward. What is anterior, what is posterior. And in this case, you can see there's sort of one sort of structure coming out this end, two structures coming out this end. This structure in the back is the spinal cord. This structure here in the front is the are the olfactory bulbs. This is what's allowing the animal a sense of smell. They're much more well developed in quadrupeds than they are in ruminants like sheep than they are in people. All of this stuff up here that's blocking your ability to see anything in the brain is dura mater and part of the meninges. So I'm going to leave it on the dura on in one part, so if you want to come up and to see how tough this stuff is, you can. But I'm going to cut it over here so you can see the other structures inside. Yeah?
Wait, so is it always true that the bigger the olfactory bulb, the better the sense of smell?
Yeah, so the bigger these olfactory bulbs are, usually the better sense of smell. And as you can see, these are enormous. I always feel badly for like dogs because they and cats. They have amazing olfactory bulbs, and we feed them dog food. Like I feed my cat kibble, same kibble, day after day after day. Like I feel badly for the cats to eat it, but considering their ability to smell things, it's I think they're basically underutilized in terms of the sensory perception and habits of things. And of course, smell and taste are quite related as well. But that said, a typical cow will pretty much eat anything you give it, regardless of whether it should be eating it or not. So cows will eat nails and tin cans and things like that. So it just depends on the animal. So there's the reason the dura gets thicker here in the middle and in the back here is, remember, there are some fissures here that are deeper grooves in the brain. The longitudinal fissure and this fissure here that separates the cerebrum from the cerebellum. So I want to just come off to the side for the first incision here. Let me see if I can. I'm not slicing too much into the brain itself. Let's see if I can pull it back this way. And so when I do this, I'll be cutting into the dura and also the other meninges as well, the arachnoid layer. And then you can see it sort of peels off a little bit like this. And then it has sort of the consistency of a very tough plastic bag. And then I can cut it this way, and then it cuts very easily. This part is very, very thin. And you can peel it back and then see more of the brain itself for real. Trim this off. That's half the brain there. And come around the other side. See, there's some structures here that are sort of holding it down in place. That structure there that you have to actually snap in order to remove. Okay, and then there's more dura covering the cerebellum back here. So let's get that out of the way too. Cut through this. And it gets thick here where all of these parts converge and you get to this fissure. I'm just going to cut straight through this.